Once a week, I put plastic bags on my feet. A cosmetologist showed me this trick. Grab a tall container, preferably glass. You'll need apple cider vinegar, which is known for its natural cleansing and refreshing properties. Pour in exactly about 3.5 ounces of vinegar. It helps smooth the skin, even out its texture. Then add about 14 ounces of water to dilute it properly. Mix well. Your solution is ready. Now grab 2 bags, preferably zip-top bags. Put one on each foot. Pour the mixture into each bag so it fully covers your feet. Then secure the bags. Leave it on for about 20 minutes so the ingredients can work. After that, take your feet out and pat them dry with a towel. Rinse your feet with clean water to remove any vinegar residue, then dry them thoroughly. Do this once a week. Your feet will feel soft, smooth, and nicely refreshed without using a foot file or going to a salon. Place a small amount of Vapor Rub ointment on a spoon and gently heat it until it melts. Add a pinch of baking soda. Apply the finished mixture to your toenails and gently massage it in. This blend may help slow down the development of fungal infections. The combination has strong antiseptic properties, a simple homemade remedy. Combine Vaseline with garlic. My grandfather always did this before a date with my grandmother. Prepare 1 peeled head of garlic. Crush it with a knife, then chop it very finely. This is important, because that is when the garlic starts to oxidize and release its most valuable properties. Put the chopped garlic into a blender and blend until smooth. Transfer the garlic onto gauze and squeeze it thoroughly to extract all the juice. Now take the Vaseline. Add half a teaspoon to the garlic juice and mix gently. Next, add coconut oil. Mix everything until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture to clean feet and massage it in well. Place gauze over your feet, wrap them up, and put on socks. Leave it on for 40 minutes. After that, pour warm water into a bowl. Add about 3 fluid ounces of vinegar and about 1 ounce of sea salt. Remove the socks and soak your feet in the bath. Keep them submerged for 20 minutes, then dry them thoroughly. Repeat this treatment twice a month. Your feet will become free from fungus and excessive sweating. Garlic has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, while Vaseline and coconut oil create a protective barrier that allows the ingredients to work longer and more effectively.